All right, guys, good morning, everybody. I'm giving a quick recap for what I did today. It was a really, really awesome day. It just opened very, very volatile. Brian, you tell us about the amazing trade that you did on INDP. Now it's at
Yeah, here.
17. Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
It's just amazing. I
here
didn't
we
touch
go.
it.
Here we go.
I didn't touch it, unfortunately. But for me, I just traded AMC only, and it was really, really nice, both onto the long side and to the short side. AMC was gapping down a little bit. It was above the VWAP, and it just dropped right at the open, dropped a little bit. So as you see, yesterday I had a really bad day, and then gap down today. So the weakness was in it on the daily chart, and I saw that it just sold off just closed the VWAP. We had all of these moving averages and S3. I decided to take the short at 46 and sold off all the way up to 45.31, covered. On the pullback, I added more, all the way back to 44 and all the way to 43.80. And then 43.80, I saw, holy moly, that's this 8% drop quickly. And then here I decided to flip my position to the long. So I flipped it to the long at 43.80, and I am still in it a little bit long at 43.94 is my new average. And I wrote the right back all the way up to VWAP. I see. I wasn't expecting, to be honest with you, go to the VWAP. I was expecting that maybe I can just buy this deep and goes up maybe to this moving average, but just the squeeze happened so fast that we actually went up all the way up to 45. So I made two trades on AMC, and so that was a short plus add all the way to here, and then there was another one, the long here, all the way up to above the VWAP. So two trades short, and so I wrote the momentum two side, and as you see, we got a really V-shape. It's rarely you get this kind of V-shaped trades on it, and yeah, it was pretty awesome. So I'm closing my day, at 12,000, 13,000. That was a pretty awesome day. I'm back holding TNA, as you know. It's the leverage ETF for IWM. So IWM popped up today, so I'm just holding this. It's the Lamborghini or cardboard project again. Brian, I know you did IRNT, INDP. What else did you do? You did trade another thing.
I traded Oxy.
Oxy, yeah.
Oxy's been strong. Unfortunately, I sold most of it when it got to 27.44 because I figured it was going to pull back. That was yesterday's high, but it just kept going.
Yeah, Thor did a really nice short on a SPY. I think Thor cut this move. I don't know how. Don't ask me how he did that, but he cut this short. And I'm trying to convince Thor to trade leverage ETFs instead. I don't know why he's trading a SPY when you can, instead of this short, you can buy SPXS.
I mean, Thor was pointing out correctly that you probably get a better, easier read on the price action because these levered ETFs are less liquid, so that they do tend to jump around a little more. So could be an but then you could trade options as well on these, because especially on the SPY you get almost daily options to get your leverage up.
Awesome. So I think that was a
If you're
pretty
in
awesome
the-
day, guys. So today is Wednesday. The Peak Capital mentorship session will be at 11. And then we have, today we have the mindfulness coaching by Neda. Awesome.
All
All right,
right.
guys, have a good day and see you all in the chat room.